First out of the box are some banners. Now, as you can see, we have long used Vistaprint banners. That Girl Trek one is about 1.5 years old. These are more newer. That long one, you can see it there, that long one is about 1 year old, I think. They're really well done. We get the grommets, we catch them on sale. Hang on, let me get this open. I can't do it and hold the phone. All right, here we go. Okay, this is the one for our Secret Santa that we're doing. Let's make sure that came out right. Yep, that came out like I thought it would on the thing. Yep, we're giving out school supplies. So let's see, and other things. You can see the thickness of it. You can see the grommets. I've not had any problems with these banners. The only thing that kind of concerns me about them a little bit is that they all come with the barcode on the side that you see, the printed side. And so when you have a stand like this, that doesn't show. But when you have a stand like this, you do see it. But I mean, you know, it's a banner for a great price, so I don't mind. Now I'm also going to show you this one so that you can see the different ways that you can use these. So here's what we're using this one for. It is our schedule of events, and again, it's got the grommets in it, so we hang that up in our window. So here's how it looks hanging in the window. It'll take a little bit of time for that little curve to fall out, but that's no big deal. Normally we don't have quite so much on there. It's just that I was a little late making it, and I wanted to get as much in with the holidays and the coming new year as possible, because we're doing a special class on self-image mastery, which you can find at jjconway.teachable.com. And then you can see the other one that I just showed you is hanging in the window there for people to see. All right. That's my unboxing of Vistaprint banners. You can find me on the web at jjconway.org. You can also find me at kingstownfamilylifecenter.org, which is the facility I'm in right now. And you can check out my newest courses at jjconway.teachable.org. Y'all take care and be blessed.